Erica, Rob, we do have rounds of rain. The next heavy batch will be here after dark, and those are the ones we're even more concerned about than the ones that are falling now, the rain showers, that is. But it's raining in some areas. Didn't rain so hard south. And look at that, the 80s are back, 81 degrees in places like where Laura is in Plainfield. So southern parts of the area got the warmer weather, and then you go up north, and it's been raining hard at times. Terry is in Genoa in DeKalb County. 2 thunderstorms rumbled through Genoa and dropped about a ½ inch of rain in an hour. And we're concerned about Wisconsin weather, too. Ken is up in Genoa City in Wisconsin. He had almost an inch of rain in an hour. There's a tornado watch just around the Madison area and westward. We'll check that out in just a minute. Let's take a look now at what we're expecting. You see all the green around the city, light rain out around Aurora. Not as big as the storms that are north and west of Iowa. Ottawa still has rain showers nearby in LaSalle County. You can see how this is weakened as they moved in this direction from western parts of the state. So for the short term, that's good news. Not a lot of heavy weather with that, but we're keeping an eye on, look at this, all these thunderstorms north of Waterloo and moving through Wisconsin. Those are the ones that really carry the large hail, the strong winds, even some tornado possibilities wrapped around some of that weather. And we're keeping an eye on that diagonal line somewhere from western parts of Wisconsin through central parts of Iowa. So it'll take a little while before it gets here, but those are the ones that have already caused a lot of concern. See all those little red marks? Those are tornado warnings now in southwestern Iowa. There was one up around western parts of Wisconsin as well. Here's that watch, the new watch that's just to the west of Milwaukee, down through southern Wisconsin, includes Madison. That's until 10 o'clock tonight, and it stretches west. So Wisconsin, Iowa, northwestern parts of Illinois included in that watch. Here's what Futurecast says for us. Mainly after 10 o'clock and after midnight, we get some of those heavier storms scattered around. It could be raining in the morning as well. Could be a brief break, and then we get more stormy weather. That's 9 o'clock tomorrow night, so more thunderstorms are likely. This weather system really doesn't give us a break until sometime late in the day on Friday. Here's for early in the morning on Friday, 3 a.m. Still more thunderstorms in the area passing through, and we'll have wet weather to start the afternoon on Friday, too. So tonight, strong storms in the area, 70 degrees. It's already turning warmer and more humid outside. We could hit the mid-80s tomorrow afternoon with clouds and storms. Rough weather through Friday, a calmer weekend, only a slight risk of some showers Saturday. It will not be a hot 4th of July. That's good. Mid to upper 70s. However, we do have a rain risk. Okay. We'll know more about that as we get closer, but it won't be one of those hot and steamy
that
4ths.
Unbearable humidity won't be there.
Well, Thursday and Friday, we can get all the main stuff through.
Yeah, get that
we'll take the weekend for sure.